and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all having a wonderful spring. This is Memorial Day weekend that I'm filming this, and I hope that you're all having a wonderful time, relaxing, spending some time with your family, eating a lot of good food and all that good stuff. Not only is this Memorial Day weekend, but it's still the month of May, and May happens to be my birthday month, and I tend to celebrate all month. I have been doing something though unique for me this year, and that is shoe shopping. I have been doing all of my spring and summer shoe shopping recently, and I've accumulated quite a bit of shoes. So you might want to get a snack and a drink and get a comfortable place to sit because we're going to be here for a while. I have 16 pair of shoes to show you that I've picked up probably within this last month, and I want to just get started. So I'm going to go in no particular order. Whatever I grab first is what you'll see. And the one that's sticking right here is a shoe. It's by Ziggy Soho. And I got these at DSW last week. And they're sandals, and they're beautiful. They look like this. And they're a pink, kind of like a T-strap sandal, with lots of bling in them, crystals and rhinestones and things like that, and they have a back strap and a thong. I couldn't remember what that was called, but that is the first pair. And then I've been to Payless Shoes a couple times. I got these. Payless, in the month of your birthday, will give you 25% off of everything, and plus they had sales going on. So this pair was on sale for $19.99, and I got it for 20% off, or 25% off. They're a pair of natural color slides. They've even got like kind of a crochet texture on there, but they look like this, and they're going to be perfect for days when I'm wearing a dress or a sundress. And they're really, really comfortable, and I love them. So those are another pair. I also got several pair of shoes from Just Fab recently, and here is one pair. And I'm sorry, the names of these. This is called the Siscia, S-I-S-C-I-A, and they are in the leopard print. And wait till you see this. They look like this right here. A beautiful little shoe, very dainty, fits very well, very comfortable. It's got a thin ankle strap up here and a thin strap for your toes, and a nice comfortable size moderate heel that is great for wearing to work or days when I don't want to be sky high. So this is a pretty little shoe that I got from Just Fab, and if you're not familiar with Just Fab, all their shoes are $39.95. The next pair of shoes I got, it's called Deliciously Shoes, and this is the style Date H, and it's in the color Hot Pink. These are a pair of patent pumps that I saw in the Discovery store, and they are so cute. They look like this. They have a nice size. I would say this is maybe about a 3-inch heel and a pointy toe. They look great with skinny jeans. I was wearing a pair of skinny jeans when I tried them on, and they are very cushioned inside. I did have to go up a half a size, which is okay because I'd rather have them be comfortable, and this patent doesn't really give a lot, so that's why what I did with that. But I'm just so excited to wear these in the summer with like a pair of skinny jeans or a pair of white pants or something like that. I think they will look very nice. Then another pair of Just Fab shoes I got, and this is the style Erica, and these look like this. They're another thong sandal with the back strap that has, you hear it, coins or little jingle things on there. I was really, really attracted to the style and the movement of the pieces on there because I thought that would add extra interest to my feet. And the soft black leather I think is really nice too. So this will be great on days when I'm wearing like a maxi skirt or something, and I just want that little extra touch, like who's that jingling around there? And then I just love that. Extra attention, more detail. I love it. And then I went to DSW yesterday and picked up a pair of these shoes by Guess, and they are called, what are they called? I don't know what they're called. Gronee, WGRONNEE, in silver. I don't know, but it's guess. And they're at DSW, and they look like this. They're a silver shoe, and I don't know if my camera's picking it up, but this is all bling right here. Little crystals all around the strap. They feel really good. I think I went to, yeah, a half size up in these, so I got a 7.5, and they're all silver, and they're very, very comfortable. So these will be when I'm wearing a pair of capri jeans or something like that, and I just want to be casual, but not too casual. I have these shoes. Then, I think what started all of this off was a trip to Aldo's about a month ago, and I saw these shoes in the store, and these shoes are beautiful. They're me when you see them. They are the, what are these called? They are called the Premier, and they have the gray and white snake skin leather up in the front, and in the back they've got the suede fuchsia heel. That's about a 3.5-inch heel. They're very comfortable, although I will have to put a slip in the back to keep them from sliding off my foot. I was wearing a pair of skinny jeans and this color jacket when I bought them or when I tried them on, and they looked fabulous. So I'm excited to wear these some more, and I think they'll be great year-round, especially spring through fall, and they're really, really nice. So the attention to detail with the pink lining and the pink on the sides, I think is just amazing. So I was excited about those. And then last week, no, 2 weeks ago, I went to a department store we have here called Boston Store. It's like a Macy's, and I bought several shoes there, and one pair was this by Michael Kors. I have been looking at this shoe for a very long time. It's called the Fulton Mock, and it looks like this. They're basically a black ballet flat, and it's got the MK logo right here in the front in black. I didn't want the ones with the gold or silver to stand out too much. And it's got the really, really nice comfortable tread on the bottom. I've been eyeing these for a while, and I finally got them because the black ballet flats I had before finally bit the dust and they were useless, so I had to get another pair of black flats for those days that I want to be extra comfortable but, you know, still stylish. And then I got another pair of Just Fab shoes. They are the kind, they're called Camille, and it's in the color silver. I love silver sandals in the summer, but these, I don't know if you can see them, they are another with the thong and the back strap, and they have all kinds of beadwork and bling and a crystal, big crystal in the middle right there. They are so pretty, and the footbed is cushioned so that I, you know, can wear them for a lot longer, because sometimes really flat shoes are hard to wear for a long time. But these are cushioned and they feel really, really good. So these are exciting. They look like a work of art to me. Like, I look down at my feet and just, I love that they'll catch the light and just reflect the sunshine and make my pedicure look really good. So those are perfect summer shoes for me. Then also at that Boston store, I picked up a pair of Steve Madden shoes, and these are exciting too. They're all exciting. They're all beautiful and they're all exciting. But these, look at these. This is all crystals going all around here, and or Dorsey, half Dorsey opening or cut out, and all along the back it's got the crystals. This shoe is called the Elsa, and it's the bright multi color, and I did have to go up a half size in this as well, but they are so worth it. The inside here is so cushioned and padded, and I love the pointy toe, and I love this cutout here. It'll make it really nice and comfortable and airy for the spring and summer. And I think this is just a gorgeous flat because it has all of the crystal beadwork on there, and it's just, the bling is just, oh, I love it. Okay, and then I also went today to Payless Shoes to get some shoes for my sons, and I looked over in my section and I discovered that the size shoe I wear also corresponds to the girls' shoes, and I've always felt that they have the prettier shoes, the pink, the sparkle, all that good stuff. So I started trying on a pair, and I got a few of those. So one, I don't even know who this is, but it says Disney, Liv, and Maddie. I don't have a girl, so I don't know what this is, but I'm sure some of you who have girls will know these characters. But the shoe I got is called the Twin Gore, and it looks like this. And don't judge, this is perfect for me. It's a glitter sneaker in hot pink that I can wear just to knock around. You all know I don't like to be just regular when I go out, so if I'm going out grocery shopping or to a baseball game for one of the kids, I can wear these. Look at, they're glitter. They're so pretty, and they were even better. They were clearanced for $9, and I had my 25% off everything coupon because it's my birthday month, and so I got these for next to nothing, and they are so, this is like all glitter, but it doesn't flake off. Love it. Love it. Another pair of shoes I got today at Payless, or no, not today. I got these a different day, but they're from Payless. They're the Montego Bay Club, and they are in the style Starlet, and they look like this. Oh, yeah, I remember. They're in the bronze color, and they have like kind of the plastic crystals that go up the toe. It's another thong sandal with the back. I love these because I can wear them to work. I can't wear anything that goes between a toe without a back to work, or flip-flops, but if it has a back, then I'm okay to wear it to work. So these will be great with skirts, pants, anything, and they're really comfortable and really cute. So love these. Another pair from Just Fab, and these are called the Aramel. And this pair, I actually did get this a few months ago, or maybe a month and a half ago. I looked on the Just Fab website one day, and they had a box where you could click and it said free shoes. So I clicked on it, and I was thinking that it would be just a scam or the ugliest shoes you'd ever seen. But I found this. This is a beautiful booty. It's like a caged booty with the silver studs going on the side and along the edge, and it's got a zip up back. They're very comfortable. It's got the peep toe and a nice size heel, and like I said, they were free. I just had to pay $5 for shipping. I don't know what the deal was or anything. I just clicked and I said it'll never work. It's a trick or something. But they sent me the shoes, so that was good, and only $5 came off of my credit card, so that was really good, and those are really cute, and I can wear those from spring to fall because they are so open and they have the open toe. Okay, and this pair is American Eagle I got from Payless today, and this is called the style Anna, and this is another one that I got in the girls section. It is a hot pink ballet flat, and with a bow, really cute bow on, for days when I want to be really cutesy, and I don't have a pair of ballet flats this color. I know, surprising, but these were, again, clearanced for $9, and I had the 25% off, so again, next to nothing, and they're so extremely comfortable. They feel like slippers, and oh, it's just really, really nice, and I love these. Two more, just two more. I've got like a shoe avalanche all around me. This is beautiful. But anyway, another pair from American Eagle from Payless. This one is called the Cara Sandal. Cara Sandal. And again, it was on sale. It was on sale for $17.99, and I got this sandal. They're gorgeous. They have the bling on the front, and they have the laser cutout of flowers, and it's zip up in the back, but it's got the thong toe strap, and then, like I said, the zip up in the back that really covers the back of the foot, and they are so cute on. And what I love most about these is, you'll see in a fashion haul that I have coming up soon, I bought a dress that has this same color pink in it, and they look so sweet together. So this is Payless. Now, you guys don't forget that Payless is out there, and don't sleep on them because they've really stepped up their shoe game lately. And if you wear a size 7, you can wear girl sizes if you're interested in being silly like me. But check out that girl section, and don't, like I said, don't sleep on Payless because they've got some really good shoes, good quality, and I love it. Great prices. And the last pair of shoes I'm going to show you is from Jessica Simpson. I got these at Boston store, again, which is like Macy's, but these were on clearance and I saw them and they're so beautiful, I had to have them. They look like this, and I don't know if you can see really, but like this is like a mesh material that's got flowers embroidered on it. You can't really see it right now because it's dark on dark, but when I wear it on my foot, you can see the color of my skin showing through, and the flowers that are embroidered along the shoe really come out, and they're really pretty. Again, a peep toe up front here, and the heel is out. They have a zipper on this side, on the inside, that it makes it really easy to get on and off. They're very snug. It has a small platform, but the shoe is very cushioned and they're extremely comfortable to wear. So I love these, got them on a really good sale, and I can't wait to wear them. Actually, I can't wait to wear all of these shoes. I've been waiting to show them to you first, and now I can get after them and start wearing them. And I hope you enjoyed this shoe haul. If you have a question about any of these shoes, feel free to leave it down in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I'll be back very soon with another video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.